Hey guys, it's me Piyush, and today we're going to be unboxing Apple's most powerful iPad, the 3rd generation iPad Pro. So, let's get started. This is the 11-inch silver iPad Pro. It has an A12X Bionic chip, 4GB of RAM, and 64GB of internal storage. So this is the top of the box. It has a picture of the iPad with one of the stock wallpapers. On the front and the back is obviously the Apple logo. Then it says iPad Pro on the sides. So let's actually open this up. And there it is. It's actually pretty thin, as you can see. I mean, it's not that much. And then it's pretty small. The camera is actually a lot bigger than I expected it to be. There's the Apple logo. So let's just put this to the side. And then this is obviously all the extra information and stickers. So here it says iPad Pro, and then it just has instructions, and then more instructions on the back. Oh wait, on the first one it actually says subscribe to SweetTechPlanet. And then obviously there's this, the white Apple stickers, classic Apple stickers. This is a 18-watt USB-C charger, and then I think this is a 1-meter charger. And let's finish unboxing this. So this is like the most satisfying part always of an Apple product. The stickers, or not the stickers, the packaging. So I'm primarily going to be using this iPad just for media consumption and like browsing the web and stuff like that. I'll definitely come out with a review for it too, so stay tuned for that. As of right now, I really feel like this is a solid product. Like, I like the industrial design and everything. This is like the iPhone 10 of iPads, so I really like that. And I think that's all for today's video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Also follow me on Instagram and Twitter at SweetTechPlanet. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you next time.